Hello, in previous video, you may already know how to use Vole Note EVPS feature to create a website note, and you already know how to create a simple website note and how to use Vole page share command control features to add some controls in your website note. In this video, I will show you how to use HidePage features to create a more professional website note. Why we use the HidePage technique? Now let me introduce. Because let's take a look at this. Take a look at this advanced tabs. You can see there are four pages, and the first, second, and third page. You can see the content is only plain text. The HidePage technique just let you add more content into the advanced tabs. For example, you can insert images and other controls into this page. For example, this one, you can see in this page it insert an image in this page and a button in this page. Of course, you can add more controls to this page. So the HidePage technique just let you do this. So I will try it and let you know how to do this. First, we go back to the previous project. Now this is the previous project. This is the home page, and this is the feature page. It's hover zoom control and a select show control and a simple advanced tab controls. These controls only include plain text. And at the action submenu, I add a full white pages and a button. Now I will add a pricing page using HidePage technique. So first, we click Edit. First, we will create a head page. This is the heading 1. You can create as many head pages as you want. So we create a heading 1 menu, and this is a sub menu. You can create a head page 1, 2, 3, and the name anything is okay. But first, it must start head page. Okay. First, we create a simple head page. For example, this is a simple content head page, and then we create a advanced table page and for pricing page. Okay, we open the command. We create a advanced tables control. So we add first page. Name the page is advanced page. We add another 2 pages. This is the simple content. Please keep in mind we will use a head page for this advanced page. So the content is the head page name. In this case, the head page name is head page 1. And you must add a .html. Okay, now let's preview it. We create 3 pages. Page 2 and page 3, we add a simple content. But the first page, the content is head page name. So we paste this command here. Just so you use the paste. Okay. Now we see the pricing is content. You can see we create advanced page controls here, and the page 2 and page 3 is the simple content, but the first page is the content that we just created, the head page, and the head page contents are replaced this page content. Now I will change the head page content to more complex. Let's try it. Now this is the simple content. I will copy some example. I copy this. You must keep the content in normal formatting. You also can copy some controls we create in the previous video. Now I paste it here. Okay. Now let's take a look at the pricing page. Sorry, the pricing page is why it is empty. Let's try add it again. I must add some hiding page here. Now you can see this is hiding. Hiding means this it will be changed to menu. It must be normal. Check this one. Oh, normal. Okay. Now let's see the pricing page. Now the pricing page is ready. Now let's have a look. Take a look at the three pages. The second page is a similar content, and the third page are still similar content. But let's have a look at the first page. Now you can see the first page is the content, an image, and the text, and this is hover zoom. This is a slideshow. Okay, it even integrate another advanced tabs. So this is the hide page. We use hide page technique to create a advanced page content. Let you integrate a complete HTML file page as you web page content. So, and you also know the head page can integrate any controls, any HTML file controls. So there are some rules when you use the head page. Because you can create as many head pages as you want, and for example, maybe you create many advanced page controls in your website. Note, but there are simple rules. The rules is the head page. If head page B contains head page A, you must put head page A in front of the head page B. For example, this is named head page 1, and I also can create another head page 2. if the head page 2 the content contains the head page 1, you must place the head page 1 in front of head page 2, just like this. Head page 2 is after head page 1. First head page 1 and then head page 2. Now this is the simple rules. The second is just when you use the head page, you must add a .html as when you used just like this. One Ctrl key. Now, please keep in mind how to reference your head page. That is, has been named add .html. This is a way for you to reference a head page name. You can see in these advanced tabs, the first is a head page content, and the second and third is a plain content. Okay, in this video I show you how to use the head page features to create a more professional web page node. So, thank you for watching.